So the look I'm doing for today is just like a beachy wave look without using any heat. And I'm going to show you that now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to section your hair off. In like a video before, you just go right above your ears. And what you do to make it wavy like this is I took my shower last night and I just went to bed with it wet. And it gives it this kind of wavy, frizzy look. And so just twist it and put a section clip in it. Okay, so then I'll take mine and I'll divide it in half. And the first thing I'm going to use is Aussie's French spray. It smells so good too. I love Aussie. And so I'm just going to spray it. Just kind of scrunch it. It smells so good. Okay, so it kind of gives it that wavy look. And then on this side, you can do the same exact thing. Okay, maybe a little more over here. So it doesn't look as curly. And now I'm going to take down this layer and I'm going to do the same exact thing. Just going to let this fall. I'm going to get about 2 inches and leave it. And my bangs too. Okay. And then twist. I always use these sectioning clips. They're like my best friend. So just put it there. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing I did on the bottom. And sometimes you might have to wet it a little to go along with you. So for it to do what you want. So. Okay, and now I'm going to take down the last section. And I just kind of put my bangs to the side because I don't spray them. So just put this in the back. And the same thing. So now that it's all done, you can tell it's really wavy. And I'm going to take my bangs and I'm going to kind of straighten them. And some of you might not like that look, but that's the look I go with. And I'm just going to use my straightener to tuck through. I'm just going to kind of go with it. And then just kind of get your fingers and go like this and make sure all the waves are just kind of calm down. And then I'm going to use Weather Protection 365 by Suave Professionals. And I'm just going to spray it. And when I do that, I'm going to just kind of tease it back up too. And I'm going to spray my bangs. I always spray them really good because you kind of need to so they stay in place. And if you don't have bangs, then you can just do the same exact thing I just did, and you don't have to worry about them. You don't have to worry about straightening them or anything. And if you have long ones, just scrunch it with it, and it'll look great. And you may wonder why I never do my back. It's because I divide it in half, and so there's nothing in the back, and so I just kind of let some go. And this is Beachy Waves without using any heat.